Speaker is an individual whose life story is a powerful testament to adaptability, persistence, and the pursuit of excellence in every endeavor. For 5 decades, she has been known across the nation as the star for all seasons, a title earned not merely through fame, but through decades of hard work, incredible versatility, and the courage to master every single role she took on. As a multi-awarded actress and one of the Philippines' few Grand Slam queens, she showed us the height of professional achievement in the arts. Her journey proves that achieving mastery in one field is simply preparation for conquering the next great challenge. Imagine the courage it took to step away from the immense spotlight of national cinema to serve her community directly. Bringing the same passion and professionalism that defined her artistic career, she transitioned into a life of public service. First, as the well-loved 3-term mayor of the Pasig, then as the first ever female governor of Batangas province. Her brand of leadership anchored in education, public health, youth governance, and inclusive development has been recognized through numerous distinctions. Outstanding Governor of the Philippines, Most Outstanding City Mayor, and various seal of good housekeeping and the Dimpo Awards under her administration. These accolades affirm that her public service, much like her artistry, continues to live and inspire. In her life, she exemplifies that the role of a star for all seasons is mirrored by the role of a leader for all people. She showed that the courage it takes to pursue a degree is the same courage needed for professional reinvention. As you prepare to write your own next script, let her enduring legacy of commitment, faith, and the continuous pursuit of service be your guide. Graduates, please help me in welcoming our commencement speaker, the Governor of the Province of Batangas, Governor Vilma Santos Recto.
A pleasant good morning to each and everyone. That's nice to hear. Alam niyo mo, ang pagpalit ko dito sa LPU ay isang malaking karangalan and at the same time, if I may say, so excited. Kasi pamilya na tayo, tama na ba? If I'm not mistaken, 2007 to 2016, naging nanay na rin po ako na lalawigan ng Batangas. At after 9 years, dahil na naman tayo ulit bumalik bilang nanay muli ng Batangas. Now, I'm back here, my home, LPU. Bago po ang lahat, bayaan niyo po muna mga batiin ko mga importante, mga tao. I'd like to acknowledge, of course, our Lyceum Management Team. Siyempre ang ating po Dr. Peter Laurel, ang ating University President. Pero represented, of course, nandito kanyang anak, Mr. Paulo S. Laurel, Vice President for Institutional Affairs. Thank you, Paulo. And also, I'd like to acknowledge Mr. Frederick Badillo, Senior Vice President for Finance. Good morning. And Dr. Cecilia Cipring, Vice President for Academics and Research, Dean, College of Nursing. Magandang umaga po. and Dr. Conrado Dotong, Assistant Vice President for Student Services, Dean of Graduate School. Magandang umaga. And sa lahat po ng ating deans and department heads, faculty and staff, students and parents, isang napakagandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. First of all, it's indeed an honor and a privilege to be a part of this momentous affair. Ito po ngayon ang araw ng ating po mga mag-aaral na magsisipagtapos po at magsisimula na po ang ng panibagong yugto ng kanilang buhay. Today, we are celebrating not just your academic achievement, but also your resilience, the bright future that awaits you in your chosen field of profession, and your transition to another exciting and challenging chapter of your life story. And because of the Lyceum of the Philippine University, Batangas' unwavering commitment to excellence, innovation, relevance, you have been transformed into what you have become now. Future ready, empowered, and with a growth mindset. We now live in a world where technology is not simply a tool, but a driver of change. Innovation dictates now how industries conduct its business, how businesses compete, and how communities progress, and even how our government should administer and deliver its services. Sumasabay na rin po tayo ngayon ang ating pong serbisyo sa Kapitolyo sa bilis ng takbo ng panahon. If I may share with you, being the mother of the province, bilang nanay po ng ating pong lalawigan, ngayon po ay ito na isa sa aking pong mga edukasyon. Computer world na, tama po ba? Fast track na po ang buhay at ang kilos at ang desisyon ng mga tao. Kaya sumasabay po tayo sa kanila. Now that I am the mother again of the province of Batangas, ito ang inobasyon ko sa amin sa pamilya ko sa Kapitolyo. Pagka nakaredy na ang programa at proyekto, nagdesisyon na, may budget na, legal naman ang mga papel, huwag nang patagalin yan. Ibigay na yan sa pangangailangan ng bawat batalyon nangangailangan. Meron din po kaming kolokyal na motto sa aming po pamilya sa Kapitolyo. Ito po ay, if I may share with you, sa trabaho, no such thing as tomorrow is another day, because yesterday is the deadline. Finish your work, pass your papers. So, yan po ngayon ang aming pong binibigyan pagpapahalaga. Kailangan lahat ng desisyon ay mabilis na rin po dahil mabilis na rin po ang takbo ng buhay. Mabilis na serbisyo sa mabilis na takbo ng buhay. The workforce of the future, your generation, must be equipped not just with the knowledge of books, but with the ability to think creatively, analyze problems, collaborate, adapt, and continuously learn. You could not have chosen a better theme of this commencement exercise. Fusing technology, innovation, and industry for the future workforce. This theme reminds us that education cannot be isolated from the real needs of society and the economy. Colleges must not only teach theories, but also nurture curiosity, inventiveness, research, entrepreneurship, digital competence, and global readiness. And LPU, the Lyceum of the Philippines, Batangas, did not just adapt. It led in itself and set a standard. It brought together technology, innovation, and industry inside the classroom, producing not only graduates, but also creating a learning environment that prepares our youth not just to get employed, but to grow, to be competitive, to be a good citizen and a model worker. One who can uplift lives, strengthen communities, and advance industries. LPU is shaping a new generation of students. Kayo po yan ang mapapalad ng mga estudyante na graduate sa umagang dito. No wonder Lyceum of the Philippines University Batangas has once again earned the prestigious 4-star rating from QS Stars for Morelli Simmons, a globally recognized university rating system. It ranked 14th in the Philippines and ranked 161st in the Southeast Asia, and has risen 1,001 to 1,500 bracket in the Times Higher Education Impact Ranking 2025. Ganyan kagaling ang LPU. Palakpakan naman po natin. Truly, Lyceum of the Philippines University Batangas has become a standard bearer of Batangueño excellence, bringing so much pride and honor to our beloved province. Nung ako po ay naimbitahan na maging speaker dito sa inyong graduation ceremony, nagulat ako dahil hindi naman mo talaga ngayon ang panahon ng graduation. Kalimitan po ay sa pagtatapos ng second semester ng ating academic school year na gaganap ito sa ating mga eskwelahan. Kaya mapalad ho ang ating mga graduating students ngayon. Sa inyong po mga napiling kurso, dahil ho nabigyan kayo ng pagkakataon na makagraduate agad. Alam naman po kasi natin na budgeted lahat po ang ating pinagkakagastusan. Ang gusto natin, makatapos agad ng pag-aaral at ng ganoon makahanap at magkaroon kaagad ng trabaho at nang makatulong agad sa kanila pong pamilya, mga nangangailangan. Kaya mapalatin po tayo na nabigyan kayo ng ganitong pagkakataon ng ating pong Lyceum of the Philippines University Batangas. And to all our graduates, we should also be thankful to our teachers for always patiently showing up to guide you, nurture you, and give you the best possible education. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga guro. But in today's commencement exercise, nobody could be happier and prouder than the parents of our graduating students. This is a shared accomplishment sa ating mga magulang na kasama dito. Alam ko po ang paghihirap na dinaranas ninyo, na sana ang gusto nyo mabigay lahat ang suporta at masiguro na ang inyong mga anak ay magkaroon ng isang magandang edukasyon.